Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to do a factory reset on HP Compaq 17. First, type in reset this PC and make sure that you created a backup. You can find the video of how to do it on our channel, but yeah. Click reset this PC, remove everything. You can keep your file, but that won't be the real factory reset. Then how would you like to reinstall Windows? I'll select a local reinstall. Next, while it's running on battery power, so that's another thing. You need to connect your laptop to a charger. Let me just... Okay, after I connected it to a charger, it automatically gave me another information that the PC is ready to reset. Click reset and it's preparing, so I'll be back with you when it's ready. And I'll just say that when it's done preparing, it will automatically start to reset. The device may restart a couple of times, the screen may flash, but it's not something unusual. Just keep it plugged to a charger, and that's it. And now, as you can see, it is ready, so we need to do a setup in here. So select the country and your region. Oh, okay, it's in here. Then the keyboard layout. You can find a video of how to do a setup on our channel, but I'll guide you through it. You can add a second keyboard layout, but I'll skip for now. And now connect to a network. Oh, oops, I didn't have the numlock. Connected, next. And it is checking for updates, but so it may take a while. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you want to be guided through all the setup. The video is on our channel, and see ya.